I've made a mistake and I ordered a thread size, a size too big for this Tokina 1160mm. And again I'm gonna pop on the polarizer. It's super cool, the magnetic filters, it's so easy, it's super beautiful. Oh, it was a big one. So welcome to a new video. Today we are in France. We are here to test out the K&F Concept filters to see if we can create some amazing pictures with them. And I'm at the beach. It's super beautiful out here. You can see I brought my weather gods with me, the weather gods of gray weather again. So for our first filter I'm gonna put on the circular polarizer to get rid of the glare onto the water. I think I'm gonna slap on an ND8 for this, and you are still all in their plastic bags with the polarizer on it and the ND filter of 8. The shutter speed dropped down to 1.3 seconds. Let's see what we're going to get. The sky is blown out. I think I'm gonna put on a darker ND filter, an ND 1000. Let's see what this will give. The 13-second exposure. So the 13-second exposure was way underexposed, so I bumped up my ISO a little bit in the hope it will turn out good now. We're getting some nice clouds now. It's pretty promising for this evening. So finally I managed to capture a picture, and I used a calculator app to calculate my time that I have to do for this photo. It was 51 seconds for this photo at ISO 100 at f9, and it's the first one for today. I hope. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. We got some foreground interest. We got a cool looking rock formation here on the left side, and on the right side we got the sea crashing into the rocks. But I'm gonna look for a more cooler looking photo than this, so hang on. Behind us the clouds are already opening up. I actually need to be very quick for this photo because I need to be on top of the mountain here that you can see in our next composition that I'm making here. And I've lined up some beautiful, amazing looking rocks. It's a really cool looking beach here. And again I'm gonna pop on the polarizer. It's super cool, the magnetic filters, it's so easy. Instead of screwing everything on, you only have to screw on the filter thread for the filters. And then you just put them on. I'm going to test out a different filter. So I'm going to see if I can use this gradient filter for this composition, I don't know. Because the problem with this gradient filter is it's circular, so you cannot put it up or down. So you cannot exactly put the gradient where you want. And I have to be very careful here because my feet are already drenched. And I have the feeling that the sea is already rising. Well, first I need to dial in our polarizer. And now the gradient on top. That's actually not too bad with the gradient and with the waves crashing. I also have to look out for my backpack that the water is not touching it. And we got the light from the back lighting up our landscape here. Very beautiful. So I'm gonna put on a different filter. So I'm gonna put on the ND8 again. Boop. So I got an exposure for 1 second. Oh, that's nice. Gonna wait for the waves crashing into the rocks. Woohoo! Wow, nice. I wish the waves were crashing onto the rocks here in the foreground of the composition. but they're all crashing in the back, but still super beautiful. Oh, it was a big one. Woo! Let's go. Oh, that's so beautiful. The sun lighting up the rocks in front of us. That's crazy. Nice. Yes, yes, yes. Let's go. Oh no, holy hell, I need to take one picture. I need to get out of here because everything is flooding. Bam, bam, big one, yes. Beautiful. Let's go. Oh, it looks very professional and I'm not a professional, so I'm happy. So I'm rushing actually because we're already 10 minutes too late at our next location for the sunset, and we need to be on top of that mountain there or the hillside. So yeah, I'm like almost running towards the hill. It's already 15 minutes past 4 and the sunset starts at 4. So I hope we're still gonna be in time to see the sky exploding, but you know me, I'm always wishing, but it never comes true. So let's go. And I'm sorry that the video is a little bit rushed. It's because I was too late here on location, so I had to search for my compositions super quickly. But now I've made it on top onto this hill, and it's now 29 past 4, and I've put on the Tokina 11 to 60mm, and this is actually the lens that I want to test out. So when K&F Concept contacted me to test out their filters, I've made a mistake and I ordered a thread size, a size too big for this Tokina 11 to 60mm, but I think it's going to be a good thing because they sent me adapter rings. So now for the Tokina 11 to 60mm, the filters are a little bit bigger. So I think when the Tokina is at 11mm, I don't gonna get any vignetting from the filters, I hope. So this is really good to test it out right now. For me, working with so many filters for the first time, it's actually super freeing. It's like super artistic. Like when I was doing photography in the beginning, I was testing out stuff, and now again with the filters I can test out again some arty stuff. So when K&F Concept reached out to me to ask for this collaboration, I was like, I want to test out the filters, and I'm not gonna promote them directly, but I'm surprised and I'm really loving them, especially for the artistic way that I can take photos now. So if you're thinking to also buy some filters with K&F Concept, I got an offer code for you guys. It's yours VD. When you're checking out from your order, you put that in, Joris VD, and you will get a 20% discount. I think that's a very nice offer that you're giving us, so I like it. Check this out. The thing that I was afraid for is it did happen. So with the Tokina 11 to 60mm, because it's so wide, look around, you can see the filter in the composition. So it's like you're looking through a telescope or something, I don't know. But that's not what we wanted. So I'm photographing this at 11mm, so that's super wide. So two filters on each other, it's not working. So that's too much. But I already think we got a very nice picture. It's so strange. And if we are very, very, very lucky this evening, the sun will just come underneath this cloud, and then all the sky will be lit up. But I think the chances are very, very slim. But you will never know. And I also think I planned the shoot at the wrong time, because it's the end of autumn, it's almost winter, So all these houses, it looks like they're all like vacation homes. And I was like, I'm gonna shoot this at the evening, and then in the hope all the lights will go on in the houses. But I think it's not gonna happen. Can you believe this? The sky opened up after the sunset. So it's nice. It's super nice. I wish we had that sky when we had the sunset. Oh man. Too bad. I'm hesitating if I should wait for this evening and maybe if the sky will stay like this. But I don't have any food with me and I'm starting to get a little bit hungry. But I'm thinking like maybe I can make a composite photo out of it, because I'm already waiting for the lights of the houses. I already have a few pictures that are good, but now that the sky opened up, thinking should I wait like an hour more till it's really dark? Maybe we're going to get some stars. But I'm also super hungry already, and the car is too far away from here to grab it and go back to the car, come back to here and leave my gear here. That's not an option, but it's so beautiful. I think I will blend in this sky and the lighthouse. That's something I can't photograph lighthouses. I was just now searching on YouTube for some tutorials how to photograph a lighthouse, but I also with the Tokina 11-60mm, it's so far away into the landscape, because I wanted to capture so much in this composition that I don't even, that it's not really prominent in this picture. Made it back to the car, ready to eat a healthy salad and watch some YouTube while I'm eating. It was super difficult photographing the stars with a a lighthouse, with the lighthouse shining right into the camera. I tried a few stuff, watched some YouTube videos, and finally I found a bit of a way to get the stars into my composition, but I couldn't find a good way to get the lighthouse also properly in this composition. So it's gonna be a blend from a few different photos together to create one composite photo for the end of this video. I will see you next time. Bye bye.